Alright guys, Marcy here, back again. Got a quick video for you guys today. So I got some parts from Scorched, which is I put one on already. It's it's like a underbody tray or something like that. It's like, to stop the debris from going up into the ESC and the motors and the motor and stuff. So basically what you gotta do, you gotta cut it out in order for it to fit that way. Yeah, I mean, everybody got their own idea of why they purchase it, the use of it and everything, but to me, I personally think it's like, hey, my screws, I gotta change out all these screws, man. They're rust as shit, man. Check it out. God damn. Anyways, yeah, so basically it's to cover up the under part here. They say it's for debris and stuff, from stuff going up into the ESC motor, whatnot. But my point of view, what I think it is, on my last run, yeah, as you can see, the chassis has been through a lot. Don't judge me, guys, don't judge me. But yeah, I think, yeah, what it helps with is, like, you see, when you're doing like a speed run and stuff, yeah, you want underneath there to be as, like, all of that to be covered up and everything, you understand? So like the wind pass straight through in it. But what I think this helps with is, like, to stop the wind from going up underneath there, from you hitting the airborne. Because my last run I hit an airborne at like around 111 miles, yeah. So I said, let me try this, see how it works, and yeah, see how it works. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to install it. I did this one already, so I'm going to do this one now. I'm going to cut it out, show you guys how to cut it out, and then you bolt it up here. It comes with 8 of these screws. Missing one already. Oh no, so this is the 4 for this side, and the 4 for this side is already mounted up already, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to cut it out now and install it. Yeah, don't laugh at my little scissors. Yeah, it does the trick. It actually does the trick. Don't laugh. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Yeah, so basically you cut around the edges, you get it right under like the corner bit itself. Yeah, go round and round. I ain't gonna lie though, it's hot in my fingers. Okay, continue the job. Go down, cut that off. Finish that. So you go here. This one. Don't laugh at my scissors. It does the trick. Look how far I am already. So don't laugh. I know some of you guys may be like, look at that little scissors. Hey, yo, let me tell you, it's doing the trick. It's doing the trick. It's doing the trick. I gotta cut this little. Fitting them tight spots in it. Okay, so get the rest of this off. That. Done. Okay, so cut off there, trim it down a bit. Cut that off. Cut that off. I mean, it's not the best of job or best of cutting job, but it's gonna do the trick. It's gonna do the trick. Yeah, so you see guys, this is the way it is. So I'm gonna bolt it up now. Bolt it up, bolt it up, bolt it up. Show you guys here. So you put this screw in. Tap, 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 tap. Ain't nothing hard in it. It's not rocket science or anything. It's not like a speed run trick or anything. It's just an installation. Installation I wanna Yep. That's in. Do this one up here. That one is in as well. Let's tighten this one up. Let's tighten up. And the last one, guys.
What you got planned?
Me?
I want to get something to eat.
I got no plans. Alright guys, so basically that's it. Yeah, cut it out. See? So what I was talking about, yeah, you see how like it's covered up in the back underneath there now? So like that little access wind doesn't go up under the, and you know, to give it that air. So to me, like the air comes from underneath there when you're going at a fast speed. So the wind comes up from underneath there, fills up the body with air, gives it an airborne. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think that's the little issue with this. So I'll put this on now. I'm gonna do a run in the next couple of days because it's just been raining, bad weather, shit weather all the time. I got my little perfect pass as well. I got my TP 2200 4070 can. I'm gonna be installing my XLX in it. Just a second. Show you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna be installing my XLX2 in it. So I'm thinking I might just move this tray, put it in the back here or something like that, so it sits right there around the wires. I might need longer wires or something like that, but hey, it's a good thing I check all of this, man. Look at that. The mount is shaking a bit. See, it's always good to double check your cars, check everything before you go out, because to be honest, I didn't know that was shaky. And also, I got some bearings from Scorched RC. I'm gonna be replacing the bearing for in the back here, the one for the this, what do you call this again? Diff, the rear diff. Yeah, so I'm gonna be changing all these bearings here. I'm gonna be changing the two in the back here, the one in the back here, this little one there. I might be changing some of the wheel bearings as well. One more thing before you guys go. I bought some new bearings here as well. Another set of new bearings. And what I do before I put in my bearings, so these is done, set already, ready for the run, ready to be installed. So I leave them sitting like fully synthetic oil, like for like a overnight or something. You understand? So basically it's brand new bearing, trust me, never been used. I put them in a cup with some synthetic oil. It's a special one. Is can't remember the name right now, but I might leave the link for you guys if you're interested in it. But yeah, I leave them in the oil, sit overnight. Leave them sit overnight so you know the synthetic oil could go all through the bearings and stuff, and it would always have that little coat of synthetic oil in the bearings. So that's just a little trick I do when I'm installing my bearings and putting my speedrun cars together. So yeah guys, that was it. I'm not gonna go through last time on the crash I had the last time with the 119 miles per hour when the two rear tires blew out. It actually damaged my what's the name of this some gear. I call it some gear. I can't even remember, man. Stupid of me, innit? Should know these things. But yeah, it just can't come at the top of my head right now. But yeah, I actually damaged this as well. So you can see it just grind out them teats, man. And I purchased a new one. So I'm gonna be installing that as well. It's a brand new. Yeah. Nothing is wrong with the diff, actually. I checked it, all teats are good, nothing damaged, as you can see. I had to, yeah. So basically that was it, guys. It's Morrissey. You already know. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell as well, so you could be notified every time I put out a new video or something. I got this in progress. I got my X-Max down there. I got a surprise coming for it tomorrow. Wait, you guys gonna see. I gotta finish that bad boy up there as well, which is the DBXL. Gotta finish up that. Well, not finish. What I'm gonna do, actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be shit. Sorry. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, basically, I'm gonna install this in the DBXL, which is the MMX8S ESC. I got one of those bad boy fans on it. So I'm gonna install this in the DBXL. Should give it a lot more power. I'm gonna put on a bigger pinion as well. So all of that I gotta do to that bad boy up there. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Got a lot more videos to upload sooner or later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you could be notified every time I put out a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time, yeah? Peace.